G'day YouTube. This video is part of a continuing series of videos to show you guys how to install something or anything on a particular Linux OS. In this case, this is CentOS 7, in fact 7.4. So what I'll do is, through the terminal is where we want to install it, so let's go across to said terminal, if I can, and type in the following. So this is what you do. So we'll install the application called HTOP. So we'll do a sudo command, followed by the update package manager, which is yum. Type in install and then that program htop. Throw in my password and let's get that to go. Okay, so let's see what happened there. I don't appear to be connected to the internet. That's okay, it's a virtual machine, but let's just see if that would have worked. Let's try another mirrors. So that's pretty much it. That did work. There we go. So basically, sudo for root privileges, yum is the update method, install is the command, and htop is the app. And that's pretty much it, guys. Super short, simple, quick video. As I said, part of my continuing series of videos to show you guys how to install applications via the terminal on a specific OS. In this instance, CentOS 7.4. So cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. Have a good one. Ciao.